These 5 diseases simply cannot be cured, but generally, they also don't require any special treatment. If anyone tells you there's a cure or that they can treat it effectively, you need to be careful watch your wallet and beware of being scammed. Don't end up going through a bunch of treatments that not only fail to help, but also make you suffer. Make sure to save and remember this. The first one is arteriosclerosis. Some people get anxious when the physical exam reveals arteriosclerosis, worrying about things like heart attacks or strokes. But actually, it's not really a disease, it's just an aging phenomenon that happens as we get older, like getting wrinkles on your skin. It's irreversible, and you can't soften your blood vessels by clearing them or using folk remedies like drinking vinegar. So don't be fooled or scammed. What we should do is manage our weight, control the 3 highs, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high blood lipids, quit smoking and drinking, exercise regularly, and maintain good lifestyle habits. That's the real guarantee of health. The second thing is various types of nodules. A lot of people worry that these nodules might be malignant, like thyroid nodules, lung nodules, or liver nodules, for example. In fact, the vast majority of our nodules are benign, and this is something you need to be clear about. For example, some lung nodules might just be caused by inhaling dust or other particles, or they could be marks left behind after an infection. Currently, in clinical practice at hospitals, there are no effective medications that can treat these nodules and make them disappear. So all we need to do is have regular follow-up checkups, and if any concerning signs appear, we just need to consult a specialist promptly for intervention. The third issue is calcification. During some ultrasound or CT examinations, we often find calcification in the liver, spleen, prostate, lungs, or in our coronary arteries. This calcification is generally a sign of our body aging or a manifestation left behind after a certain disease has been cured. The appearance of this calcification is generally irreversible, and it usually does not affect the organs. We just need to have regular follow-up checkups. No special treatment is necessary. The fourth issue is mild regurgitation of the mitral and tricuspid valves in the heart. This actually happens as we age. These valves may gradually age as well, and then incomplete closure can occur. The aging of these valves is also irreversible. Mild regurgitation will not affect our heart function, so regular follow-up checkups are sufficient. No special treatment is needed. The fifth issue is lacuna cerebral infarction. Many people get really scared when they see the words cerebral infarction on their test results, thinking they're going to die or become paralyzed. In fact, lacuna cerebral infarction is a type of small vessel occlusive cerebrovascular disease in the cerebral hemispheres. The area of infarction is usually quite small, and most people actually have no symptoms at all. If it is discovered incidentally during a physical examination, generally, there is no need for hospitalization, nor is there a need to take aspirin, statins, or similar medications. However, if there are additional cerebrovascular risk factors, or if symptoms related to cerebral infarction appear, then we need to consult a doctor for intervention. Lastly, I want to share 2 points. The first is that if you are diagnosed with any of these 5 diseases, you should maintain a calm mindset, trust in science, and not easily believe in so-called folk remedies or miracle drugs. The second point is that in the comments section, there will definitely be people saying that just because Western medicine can't cure it doesn't mean traditional Chinese medicine can, or that just because you can't cure it doesn't mean others can't. Everyone should be aware that some people posting these kinds of comments might be marketing accounts. Never contact them privately to avoid being scammed into buying folk remedies or fake medicines. If you experience any discomfort, make sure to go to a regular hospital for treatment in a timely manner. Got it? I'm Sung Woo Zhen. See you next time, everyone.
古外书 embrace every kind of life.